wanabiashara wa Eastleigh, mjue Raila Amolo Odinga is user friendly for your business. William Samoei Ruto is user unfriendly. He will defraud your businesses, he will bring down your businesses, he will destroy your businesses. Raila Amolo Odinga will create a conducive atmosphere, a favorable environment, and an enabling environment for you to do businesses. La mwisho, huyu baba ndiye atakikisha ushuru iwekwe chini ili wanabiashara wote wafanye biashara hapa nchini Kenya. Huyu baba ndiye atakikisha mayouth wa mama wapate capital ya kufanya biashara hapa nchini.
We have two problems still. The vetting processes for the residents of Eastleigh and this community is very, very high when it comes to getting ID and passports. I myself, I have a bodyguard who has served in the Kenya police for over 20 years. His name is Abdi. His son has been trying to get a passport. And the vetting process has been so long, I've even intervened and I'm having a problem.